Good morning, students. Let us start grade 10th chapter 2 polynomials. Students, today we are going to learn a relationship between the zeros and their coefficients in case of quadratic equation. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c where a is not equal to 0, for this equation sum of zeros is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square and product of zeros is equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square. This is our formulas for sum and product of zeros in case of quadratic equation that we all learnt in previous lecture. So students, now we solve one example and try to understand with the help of that example how we verify a relationship between zeros and their coefficients in case of quadratic equation. So here we are the example. F of x is a polynomial which is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. So see, given f of x polynomial is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. Students, it is very necessary to find out your zeros very first in order to verify the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. For this, let f of x is equals to zeros. It implies x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to zeros. Now this is an equation which is equal to 0 and we try to find out the zeros, otherwise roots for this equation, and that we can only find with the help of midterm splitting method. So what is our requirement for that method? Sum is equals to minus 2x and product is equals to first and last term product minus 8x square. All we know that we have to make the factor for the constant term of product. So 8 factors, 2, 4, then 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 2. So we have to shuffle the product in such a way that we get our sum is equals to minus 2x and our product is equals to minus 8x square. So if we take minus 4x plus 2x, so students, what we get? Minus 2x is sum and minus 4x into 2x which is equals to minus 8x square is our product. So see, here we are x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. So see, out of these two, which one is common? X is common. So we take x. So x is inside, then minus sign I put minus. So here is 4x. X is already outside. What is left? 4 is left. Plus, out of these two, 2 and 8. So 2 is common. So x is inside, then negative sign I put negative. So 8. 2 4s are 8 is equals to 0. So see, again these two terms are common. So let's take x minus 4 is common. So here is bracket, x minus 4 is outside. So inside x comes, then plus this part x minus 4 is already outside, guys. So we are left with 2 is equals to 0. How we have to find out our zeros? It means x minus 4 equals to 0 as well as x plus 2 is equals to 0. See, x is equals to 4 and here x is equals to minus 2. So it further implies that x is equals to minus 2 comma 4 are required zeros. So students, this is your zeros. Now we are going to find a relationship. So in case of relationship, let alpha and beta be zeros of a given polynomial, that is f of x. So we have sum of zeros means sum of zeros alpha plus beta, students. And in this case it means if we take alpha and beta are the zeros of f of x It means alpha is equals to -2 and beta is equals to 4. Your two zeros. So is equals to what? -2 plus 4, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 2, which is equals to 2. And what we can write this 2? We can write this 2 as minus into -2 upon 1, because minus minus plus and it not affect your 2. If we divide 2 by 1, it again not affect your 2. So now students, try to correlate this number, this rational number, whatever this number is, in the form of coefficients of your given equation. So see, your equation is this x square minus 2x minus 8. So minus I am writing here students, minus 2. What is your minus 2? So you can see that minus 2 is your coefficient of x. Is it? Yes. Minus 2 is your coefficient of x. So I am writing here coefficient of x upon 1. You can see that 1 is your coefficient of x square. So I am writing students here coefficient of x square. So this is sum of zeros, and you can see that guys, sum of zeros are is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Now we try to find out product of zeros. Alpha into beta. Alpha value is -2, beta value is 4, is equals to -8, and -8 we are doing nothing, just we can write this -8 upon 1. So again we have to check our equation. -8 is our constant term, constant term. -8 is our constant term, and 1 we already know, 1 is coefficient of x square. 1 is coefficient of x square. So you can see that according to the formula, product of zeros is equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Hence verified. Hence relation is verified. So this is all about the verification of relationship among the zeros and their coefficients in case of quadratic equation. Hope students you all understand the way how to find out the relationship or how to verify the relationship among zeros and their coefficients in case of quadratic equation. So students, now I attach you with one worksheet. Keep watching video till end. Try to solve all the questions at your home. Till then, bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.